Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most anticipated commuter bikes coming our way, the 26 Honda CB Unicorn 125. Honda has always been known for its reliability, smooth engines, and practical designs, and the Unicorn name itself carries a legacy in the Indian motorcycle market. Now with the new 2026 version, Honda seems ready to blend modern styling, updated technology, and trusted performance into one impressive package. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 125 is expected to carry a completely refreshed look while keeping the mature, elegant personality that the Unicorn lineup is known for. The new model could feature sharper lines, a sportier fuel tank, and LED lighting all around, including LED headlamp, tail lamp, and indicators. The instrument cluster is likely to get a digital update, displaying information such as speed, trip meter, gear position indicator, fuel economy, and even Bluetooth connectivity for call and message alerts. Honda seems to be focusing on giving riders a more premium commuter experience without compromising on comfort. Under the fuel tank, the 2026 Unicorn 125 will likely come with a refined 124cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, following Honda's latest ESP, Enhanced Smart Power technology. This technology is designed to deliver better fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, and reduced emissions, all of which are important as stricter emission norms come into play. The engine could produce around 10.5 bhp of power and 11 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed gearbox for effortless city riding and decent highway cruising. When it comes to comfort, Honda has always made sure that the Unicorn series stands out. The 2026 version is expected to continue with its comfortable seat design, upright riding posture, and superior suspension setup. The telescopic front forks and monoshock at the rear are tuned to handle Indian road conditions, offering stability and comfort even on bumpy rides. The seat height will likely remain accessible for most riders, making it a great choice for daily commuting and long rides alike. Safety and braking are also getting a boost. The new CB Unicorn 125 may come with a front disc and rear drum brake setup, supported by Honda's Combi brake system, CBS, for balanced stopping power. Alloy wheels and tubeless tires will come as standard, adding to the overall convenience and reliability. Honda might also introduce an optional ABS variant for riders who prefer extra safety. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency, something every commuter cares about. Honda's engineering excellence ensures the new Unicorn 125 could deliver around 60 to 65 km per liter depending on riding conditions. Combined with a fuel tank capacity of about 13 liters, this bike can easily cover long distances between refuels. As for pricing, while nothing is official yet, experts expect the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 125 to be priced around $4,000 to R15 lakh ex-showroom, placing it in competition with bikes like the Hero Glamour X-Tech, TVS Raider 125, and Bajaj Pulsar NS 125. Overall, the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 125 looks ready to redefine the 125cc commuter segment by offering a perfect mix of style, performance, and comfort. It's built for those who value reliability with a touch of modern sophistication. Stay tuned for more updates. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.